Badger crew hard at work. All right, guys. Which bike do we take today? Do we take silver? That's Mama Badger's bike. Got red? I think we'll take the V-Rod. All right, guys. So, on today's Friday Free Ride, I asked a question on my Facebook page this week and in my groups and got a lot of great answers. So I asked everybody if they work on their own bike or if they take it to the shop. Hang out. Let's see what everybody said. What's up, everybody? I'm Sonny the Badger, and welcome to my Friday Free Ride. So every week, I take you on a ride with me. We talk about motorcycle stuff. As I said in the opener, on today's episode, we're going to talk about working on bikes. So, on our Facebook page and our groups, and if you're not familiar with them, that would be the Facebook group, The Badgers and the Biker Lifestyle, the Facebook group, Support Bikers, and the Facebook page, The Badgers and the Biker Lifestyle. If you're on Facebook, look us up. We have lots of great conversations and interactions there, and it's all about motorcycles.
All right, guys. So, our first sticker of the day. Oh, Mr. Mustache. Mama Badger's got her Mr. Mustache t-shirt on. She's all excited.
I stole it from Sonny, and I'm wearing it.
Right. Can't keep anything. All right. So, our first sticker of the day is the Baggers and Brews crew out of New Jersey.
Jersey. Find them on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
So go check them out. They do cool videos all about beer and bikes. How do you beat that? And Mama Badger's finding a spot for them. Where are they going?
If I go over there, you're going to be mad at me because you're like, oh my God, over there.
Really?
I feel like
you always go over there.
No, I don't. The last one was not.
Nope, she always goes over there. She favors that side.
Oh.
She favors the left.
All right, next.
So anyway, back to the subject. I posted a question. Do you work on your own motorcycle or do you take it to the shop? The overwhelming response was I work on my own, which is very much me. I work on my own. I work on all four of our bikes, Mama Badger's, mine. I even work on the V-Rod. And you talk about a whole different animal, just to do a tune-up is quite the job for a V-Rod. But if you've watched my channel before, you've seen my different DIY videos. And I actually have a few more I need to put up. One doing a tune-up on the 2004 V-Rod. Another one, I replaced the clutch basket and the clutch in my 2005 CBO Fat Boy. This weekend, I'm going to eliminate the turn signals on Mama Badger's bike. They'll all be built into one on the back of the bike. So the general consensus was everybody does their own work on their bike, with a few exceptions. Some people said, man, I do the maintenance, but when it comes to anything else, I take it to the shop. We had some people say, well, my bike's still under warranty, so I take it to the shop for everything, in case that messes up my warranty. But once the warranty is over, then I'll probably do my own work. And then we've had some people go, man, the newer the bike, the more complicated it is to work on, and I don't touch those at all. So we kind of ran the gamut of everything. I was surprised. A lot of people said they do their own tires. I don't do my own tires at all. I've actually looked into it, getting a little tire machine off of Amazon and doing my own tires. But after thinking about it, by the time you bought the tire, did all the labor to put it on, I'll just take it to my local shop. So I always take mine to Sooooo Rebel Cycle here in Cape Coral, Florida. They do all my tires and any of the big stuff that I don't want to touch. Which I must admit, there's the list of things I won't do is getting smaller and smaller. Because I will attempt about anything. I actually enjoy working on the motorcycles. I like to go out in the garage, turn on some music, and work on my motorcycle. That's kind of a peaceful, calming thing for me. So I really enjoy it. For some, I've heard some people go, man, I would rather do anything but work on my motorcycle or my car. So anyway, guys, what about you? Do you work on your own? Do you take it to the shop? Interesting story that happened to me just before I took this ride. The work phone rang, and Granny Ma Badger answered the phone, and it was one of the people that I guess watches our videos. His name was Mario. Anyway, Mario has a Road King, and he was asking what air suspension to use for his Road King. I was like, man, I don't have a bagger, so I don't really have a dog in that fight, but if I were you, I would call the guys at Sick Baggers, S-I-K Baggers, or reach out to them on social media, because they'll know more about it than I will. But guys, I love calls like that. If you have any kind of questions, I'll answer the phone. I'll give you the best answer I can give you, which a lot of times might be, I ain't got a clue, call this dude. But to me, that's the fun of it. That this guy watched my video and thought enough of it to actually call me and ask my opinion on his motorcycle. That is pretty cool.
Alright guys, sticker number 2 is West Coast Throttle. They got westcoastthrottle.com. They're on YouTube, Facebook, where they at?
I just know, yes, he does have YouTube, and then he started a Facebook group, and yeah, he reached out and was on Support Bikers group and was wanting to know if he could promote his group, which absolutely, right? We're not going to stop you. It's biker related and
bikers supporting bikers. So absolutely. Yeah, so anyway, she's got a sticker. Where's she going to put this one at?
All right, I'm going to do this side this time. Okay.
All right, guys. Thanks for sending us your stickers. And if you don't see your sticker on the wall anywhere, on that mirror, then you need to get us your sticker. So let us know. We'll do a sticker exchange with you.
All right. Thank you, guys. We appreciate it.
Back to the ride.
Anyway, guys, I have rambled on long enough. Remember, if you like videos like this, be sure you hit that subscribe button. You can ring the little bell icon. It'll notify you every time we upload a new video. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave your comments. We try to answer all of them. And look for a big announcement from the World Record Poker Run. If you're not familiar with the World Record Poker Run, we are going to break the world record for the world's longest poker run. We're leaving July 30th from Port Charlotte, Florida. We're going to go 3,200 miles. We're going to end August 6th in Sturgis, South Dakota for the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. And when we get there, we'll have broke the world record for the world's longest poker run. Registration is open from March 1st to May 31st. Get registered today, because after May 31st, there are no late registrations. you will have missed your opportunity to ride with hundreds of other bikers and break a world record. So don't miss it. And always remember, guys, it's not about the destination. It's all about the ride. See ya.